Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to the upscale community of Beverly Hills in Jamaica, and more specific, to Shenstone Drive, where you will find this 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom executive home for rental. It offers a luxurious living experience with its meticulously landscaped pencil pine lined driveway that leads to a grand entrance. The residence is being rented furnished and offers multiple areas for rest, relaxation, and entertaining, including a fully equipped man cave with exercise equipment, pool table, and other games. The outdoor area is an oasis featuring a pristine pool with a waterfall, jetted area, and a gazebo. This is perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. Additionally, the property includes a dedicated helper's quarters, double enclosed carport, generator, water tank, electronic security system, cameras, and an auto gate. This home is the epitome of elegance and convenience, designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 7,000 or Jamaican 1,077,000 per month. To rent this property, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.